Okay, it's another session of HoPE session, and just wanted to show you a new tool that might be helpful for you to use. This is a tool called Blendspace. So if you go to um, Google and just type in Blendspace right in there, it'll take you to a place um, to Blendspace, and what Blendspace is about blended learning. So what blended learning really is that you're utilizing online tools to support some of the things that you're doing in a classroom. So Blendspace, this used to be called Ed Canvas. Some people might have used it before, called Ed Canvas. They've now changed it to Blendspace. And what it does is it allows you to create basically like a canvas, or basically a bunch of resources in a visual way that you can put together and post it as a lesson. So let's just go here. It's free. You can sign up. I've already signed up. Obviously, I have an account that I've used before. But you can just sign up with an email address and you're ready to go. So what you would happen is you would just click a new lesson. This is how it works. And so you'll notice here that there's these boxes of where you're going to drop resources and what kind of resources do you have. Anything. So if you look on the side here, you'll notice all of these icons. You can put in anything from here. So let's just go through this. So YouTube, you can search YouTube videos from right here. So let's say, for instance, let's just say we're going to talk about Catholic graduate expectations. So you can search that, and there'll be stuff that will come up here. And you could put something specific. You could put a URL there if you know the exact video. But let's just put this. This is actually a video that I had made for Project Next a while ago and posted it on YouTube. But all you got to do, if you notice, if you go to it, if you select it and take it and just drag it over, and then it's dropped right in there. You can, if you notice, it's your slide to number 1 now, and you can change it so that you can put a description. Video created by Michael Wetzel talking about the collab contributor. Okay, done. And now that'll be underneath there. So what else could you do? Let's go to, if you do a Google search from here, this is a Google product, this thing. So I put in already Catholic graduate expectations. And again, you can search the images or the web. So if you wanted just a picture, this is sort of a common one that goes with, there's the Catholic graduate expectations, all of them. So we could just take that and drag that over. And now it's got those pictures. And we're going to enter a label for this one. And this is CGE art. Let's call it that. And you'll notice here, this is a video. This is a symbol. This is just a picture file. Maybe we want to go to the web. You could even drop in whole web pages in here. So here's some of the Catholic graduate expectations from different boards, how they're done. Let's just take, we're going to take this one right here. I'm not even sure where this one comes from, but we're going to drop it in. Now this is ours from the TCDSB. And I can just enter a description, TCDSB site. Sorry, TCDSB site. And then that's there. What else can we do? If you go down, Vimeo is a video search just like YouTube in a lot of ways. Flickr, same sort of thing. Educreations is lessons that you actually create. There's an iPad app that you can do that, so you could post it on there. We don't have any of those. I'm not even sure what Guru is, so if someone wants to let me know, I can search that one and look it up. You could put a web page. So if you knew an exact web page, and I'll just put here www.tcdsb.org. So there's the school website. You can just drag that over there, and it will be in there. You could put a media file. So you could be taking something from your computer. So if there was a PowerPoint, for instance, in here, or if there was something else. So you could take, let's just go to do I have a PowerPoint on here? I might not. Okay, here. This is a PD Day PowerPoint. So I'm selecting that. So what it's going to do is it's going to upload this PowerPoint. This is beautiful because you don't, you want it to be able to play. So it's going to upload it into Blendspace, and then it will allow you to drop it in. The good thing about it is once you've done it once, you can do it. You don't have to keep uploading it. It'll be there. So these were other things that I had uploaded before from previous creations that I had made. So you can upload a file that you would then put in here so that students could view it. But you only have to do that one time, and then it's ready to go. So we're just going to wait for it to upload. It's a bigger file. Probably picked one that was too big. And maybe I'll just take one here. This is a Word file that I had put. I can put that in there. And we're just going to do, say it's a prayer that I wrote for a service I did. You go down here, Dropbox. So you can link it to your Dropbox. And here's my Dropbox file. I've already linked it, connected it. So everything I have in Dropbox is here. So I don't even have to upload it to the site. I can take lots of different things. So here's some Catholic Graduate Expectations graphics that I have. And I'm going to take the collaborative contributor, drop it right in there. And I can let's fix that. You can do the same thing with Google Drive is there as well. So if you, Google Drive is another form of online hosting, so you can host that there. So then now you've got this lesson. You can put the lesson title here. Sorry, graduate station. We can change the way it looks, so you can change the template of how it is set up. You have a grid. You can make it look pretty funky. Let's just take the squares, leave it for now. You could do it colored. Looks nice. Okay, and it's always saving. You'll notice here that it's an autosave thing, so it's always saving. So we've got our stuff ready. Now, what does this look like? So if you were to say, well, yeah, great. What is this? What is this? So if you were to play it, this is what it looks like. So you'll notice here we've got the video that plays automatically. So this is the lesson here. We've got the content here. You can minimize that, but what this allows you to do, which was really interesting, is you can leave a comment. So this is videos created by Michael Wetzel talking about the collaborative contributor. That's what this video is. But the students could leave a comment. So as a for person I'm going to leave, I like the content of the video. But the voice is weird. And I'm going to comment, and then it's left. So they could put that there. You could even leave a video, a voice message. So you could leave a comment. So students, you could post this out, and students can then leave messages and leave comments and feedback for things. And you'll notice we can go through from slide to slide. Here's the art. So here's a picture. We can go keep going from one. Here you see this is the actual page, Catholic Graduate Expectations. I just click on it. It will open a new tab, and now we're right into the web page itself. So then students can be interacting with the web page and go back. Again, the same thing with that web page. Here is the prayer. So this is, again, look at this, look at this. Look at how amazing this is. So again, it's a Word file that I dropped in there. They can choose to download that Word file. They can choose to print it. They can do a lot of stuff with it. So great stuff there. And then we move on. Again, there's your art piece. That's the lesson. So they can leave comments to it. They can rate this title. So they can rate it, say, I like it. Can we go over this in class? They can click that. And then it's good to go. So they can rate that and then play it. So what can you do with this? You can do a lot of different things. When you've done your lesson, you can share it. So if you click the share button, what will it allow you to do? Here's the link. You can post this link anywhere. So if I was to just take this link and copy it, and then if I was to open a new one, what does this look like? There it is. This is what the students would see. They would just go to play, and then it's back to what it is. So you can send the link. You can do a bunch of different things with it. You could tweet out the link or send it on Facebook, email it. Embed code. Look at this. This is amazing. Remember we talked about the embed code? So it creates this embed code, and I hope this works. We're just going to copy this. So if we were to do it in, this is in the RE community, but this is exactly like D2L. So if you were to create a lesson and then go to D2L and drop it in, hope this works. Yeah, that's okay. There it is. So what will this look like? So now when students would go to it and they could interact with this page, which would look at this, when you embed it, it gives you the options. You can print it, but they can play it. So they will be right in D2L, they could be right in their course, and now you have this whole lesson right there. Okay. And again, they can leave their comments right there. How fantastic is this? So they can interact with that. So there's how you could use the embed code. You could take the embed code and share it out. You could even create a QR code. And what that does is you can take that and now you can scan this on your smartphone or whatever, and then they can have it. So the students can have it anytime they want. There's a privacy. Who can view this lesson? So you could say only me. You could say anyone, because this is a public site, or only people with the link and my students. So you can create your own classes. You could even collaborate. This is if you get the premium package, right? You could do that, so you can pay up. But that's basically how these things work. You can go in there and you can even search it. So we're just going to go home. We can go to my lesson. You can create classes. So you can create a class and then have students in it. So you can put all your students in it so that they can go view these. Or you can go to the gallery and view other people's. So look at this. There's videos on math, science, social studies. So say we wanted to do, let's go take a look at one. We can click on social studies. Up will come the whole page. And there are different blend spaces for that. So let's just go to classic Rome. Look at that, a blend space that's already ready for you to go. And you can just play that and be able to see different stuff. So there's a video in there. It looks like there's a file, there's a Word file on there. So there's great things here. You can search it out and find all of these things. And again, what can you do with them? You can send them out. You can tweet them. You can use them as you need to because they've been made public. So that's Blendspace. Sorry, this video is a little bit longer than I thought, but there's a lot of stuff to this one. This is a very a full thing. It stores all of them for you, so you can go back and do whatever you need to do with it, and you're ready to go. So that's Blendspace. Great tool.